Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. My name is Dave. I'm an RN, full-time, part-time reseller, part-time YouTube content creator. I make videos primarily for people new to eBay or new to reselling. Welcome to my channel. Glad you're here. This is a different video. This is kind of a mystery unboxing video. So I was contacted by Lucky Charm Wendy. I'll put her name, maybe a picture up here too. We just call her Wendy. She asked me if I wanted to participate in this fundraiser, and I said, absolutely, I would love to do it. So I received a mystery box, and we're going to cut open the box and dig into it right now. All right, I got the camera repositioned. Hopefully you can hear me all right. So camera's pointing down at the desk. So here we are. We're going to cut into this box. Now the box has like personal notes written all over it. You can't see, you're not going to be able to see that on the camera, but little notes written here. I'm going to write a note on the side. But yeah, we're tearing into this. All right. Wow. This thing is full. Oh my gosh. Put away the picker so I don't hurt myself. This thing is crazy. Look at this. Hot Wheels. Batman Hot Wheels. Wow, look at this thing, man. Tons of Hot Wheels. Hopefully I can get them all back in this box. Not really sure. This looks like keychains. Some more Hot Wheels. Another Hot Wheel. Okay, it came with this little personal note here. It says, Dave, this is for you from Texas. Trent, aka the Thrifty Picker. So I guess that's that's just for me, I guess. I'm keeping that. This says necklaces and earrings. A ton of stuff. Some kind of makeup stuff. Not sure what that is. I have no idea what this is, but it's in a bag. All right, this says Orza retails $20. Not sure of the price. Survivor stopwatch. Instructions. Very important to have instructions because I'm old and I get things wrong all the time. And then this is the attendance list in states. So please do not send to a state on this list unless you are the 50th state. So this is part of the instructions that goes with this. That's cool. Little keychain pocket knife. That's pretty cool. This looks like a baseball hat. Oh, cool. An M&M's hat. I like that. I might have to take that and put something else in. I don't know. I like that M&M hat. That's pretty cool. So that box is from Trent, the Thrifty Picker. He's from Texas. If I can find him, I'll put a picture up here, either Instagram, YouTube picture, whatever I can find. So this box came from Texas. I guess I'm not keeping the hat. I didn't read the instructions yet. So the hat is really cool, and I can see why. So I don't know what I'm going to keep out of that box. I'm supposed to put something in the box that represents my state of Michigan. Well, I have Petoskey stones, some really big baseball-sized ones. Maybe I'll put like 3 of them in there. You get them wet and take a picture of them. A lot of crafters buy those on eBay. They go for pretty good money. I don't know, but they're really heavy too, so I'm going to have to think of something to put in there. So this is a really great way to raise money, and I'm going to read the instructions to you really quick. This is from Wendy, and this came in the box. It says, hello, fellow reseller and online friends. Please join me for a 50-state challenge for a cause. There are 6 easy parts to play this challenge. Number 1, video record your opening the box and reading the directions. Include in the video the state the box came from and the reseller, including their eBay store or YouTube channel. Post to Instagram or your YouTube. Tag me, Wendy. Number 2, remove the bag marked with the state, which I did. Keep for yourself something related to the state the box came from. Sell or keep, your choice. Note, add something from your state to the box. Change the state on the bag to your state. Number 3, remove the remaining items. Pick as many items as you want from the box for yourself or to resell. Replace the items with your own items. Example, if you take 3 things, put 3 things in. Autograph the hat. YouTube name, eBay store name. You can include your name too if you want. Put the hat back in the box. Sign the attendance sheet. Send the box to another reseller in a different state, not already on the attendance list. Be sure to include the instruction letter. Yeah, I can't forget to include that. Whoever has the box last, the 50th state, returns the box to the first person, Wendee, and she has her address here on the instructions. Have fun, be creative, watch to see what state the box goes to next. P.S. The autographed hat will be auctioned off via Instagram once the box gets back to reseller number 1, Wendee. The funds from the hat auction will go towards buying my husband a portable oxygen concentrator so he can go out to doctor's appointments, church, and day trips without running out of oxygen. The O2 machine is not covered by insurance and is $2,500. Thank you all for joining this challenge. Let the fun begin. Hugs, Wendee, a.k.a. Lucky Charm. So this is a really cool opportunity to help each other out. Not only are you networking, not only are you learning about other resellers and their YouTube channels or their Instagram, but then you're raising money for a good cause. So I can't wait for that hat to get back to Wendee, covered in autographs and auction off. That's going to be a lot of fun. So what am I going to pick out of this box? I don't really know yet. What am I going to put in the box? Yeah, I don't know yet, so I have to figure that out. If I can find the Thrifty Picker from Texas and Wendee on YouTube, I'm going to link their channels down below in the description. I'll put their pictures up. So I don't know who this is going to. I got to pick a new victim. I have a lot of reseller addresses, so I'll make it a surprise. I'm not really sure who I'm going to send it to, but this is a really cool idea. I really like it. So short video. Thanks for watching, guys. If this is your first time here, typically I do a what sells on eBay video or a sourcing video or eBay news video. Hit that thumbs up if you don't mind. If you're new, please subscribe. If you have any questions at all, put them down in the comment section related to reselling. I also have how-to videos, and those are linked down below in the description too. How to ship, how to source, how to list, how to determine your platform. Every day there's new platforms. There's just Amazon, Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, Bonanza, eBay, OfferUp, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace is growing, growing, growing. So check out those how-to videos. Any last words? If you don't know, this is Joey and this is Enoch, not for sale. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.